Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, PSD Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys best PSD website that you can download for free. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you get free PSD file templates that you can use for your graphic or for a print design. Alright, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about free graphics resource, you'll be able to notify and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. A lot of videos that you can watch from this channel, ranging from graphic design, web design, and importation, free resource and stuff like that. All you have to do is to watch the is to check some of the playlists on this channel, and remember to subscribe when you visit the channel. So let's get straight to the tutorial and see how you can download free PSD file from a website. Okay, so the first website I have for you guys right here is what we call allfreedownload.com. This particular website here, you'll be able to see a lot of flyer, banner, and social media banner and stuff like that you can download for free use, or whether you want to print it or you want to upload it on your graph or on your social media or on your website. All these files here are free, so and they are all in PSD file format that you can edit. You can change the picture, you can edit the text, you can do any stuff you want to do with the design right here. So let's say for instance you are interested in any one of the flyers right here. All you have to do, you can see this one right here. If you are interested in this one right here, that you want to download this one, right? Okay, all you have to do, all you have to do is to locate the one you want to download, then right click, and let's say you want to download this one right here. You can see the download button has been become active. So the file size for this PSD is 76.30 MB. So you can see the file format is PSD file format. So you can use this any design right here for whatever purpose you want to use it for, whether for commercial purpose or you want to just upload it or you want to modify the design. And you can see another one right here. This is a web banner. So this one right here also, it is a web banner. You can see full menu advertising template, realistic religious checking sketch. So it is a PSD file also. You can see it right here, which the file size is just 40 something megabytes. Then this is the download link right here if you want to download this file. So this is what I have for you as far as all free download PSD.com is concerned. So another one I have for you guys is right here. This one here is freepsdfile.net. Okay. At this particular site, there are thousands of free PSD file you can get from this particular website. You can see, most especially if you are a web designers, or you are into infographics and you are into HTML stuff like that. You can see these are free PSD HTML web design template that you can use to enhance your design or to take your design into a new level. Okay, so you can scroll down. There are thousands of files right here that you can use in a PSD file format that you can use for your design, whether you want to use it for print or you want to use it to enhance your website and what have you. So everything right here is free to download. All you have to do is to click on free download button, then your download file should be immediately prepared. These are just PSD character, flat character design. So if you want to browse all the templates in a category, so you can see it beside the right here. These are the category of files that you can download from this particular website, from 3D renders, actions, backgrounds, button, email marketing templates, fashions, graphics, holiday icons, illustrations, infographics, logo template, mockup template, etc. There are thousands of things you can download for free on this particular website called freepsdfiles.net. So all you have to do is to visit the site and navigate, browse through the category, and download any file of your choice. That's what I have for you as far as freepsdfiles.net PSD.net is concerned. So let's take a look at another website I have for you guys that you can use to download free PSD file. Right here is what we have is downloadpsd.cc. This particular website here also provide you a free PSD template that you can use for your design, such as icons, graphic print templates, mockups, etc. So you can see there are thousands of files that you can get right here in a PSD file format. You can see the file format for this particular flyer here is PSD flyer PSD. Okay, so this mockup here also is a PSD, and this flyer here also is a PSD file format. So you can see everything right here is PSD. When you need to download this particular file, all you have to do is to see download PSD file. So you can see it is a later file that was just uploaded, I think August 2021. So when you want to download, just click on download PSD, and your download folder will prepare immediately. So another one I have for you guys right here is what we call 365psd.com. And this particular website, you can download as many as possible PSD file. You can browse from vectors. You can see at the top right here, free vector file here is 55.2 thousand free vectors that you can use for your design. Vectors such as architect, banners and ribbon, corporate logos, 644 file, and etc. So for this particular website here, you want to download free PSD file. These are the number of free PSD file is about 5,600 free PSD files, such as abstract or PSD file, architect, art design, backgrounds, flowers, trees, foods and drinks, etc. So these are the stuff you can download, such as PSD, free PSD, and you can as well download free vectors file that you can use for your future graphics. And lastly, this particular website here, they have a premium graphic. A premium graphic of 1.2 million. What do I mean by premium graphic is this? Is in a situation whereby you register member, you pay on the site, you will be able to download more often than the free file. You can see the premium graphic here is 1.2 million, which is more excessive than when you are talking about free file. All in all, everything depends on you. If you are comfortable with the free file, there is no need of you going for premium file. You can see ton paper piece, flyers, propio, etc. There are thousands of things. You can even download EPS file. You can see this one right here is EPS file, which simply means that this particular file here, if you download it, you can easily change the color, change the style, do whatever you want to do. So if you want to download this free EPS file, all you have to do is to click on the batch templates. When you click on the batch template, it's going to prepare your download file. Then you easily download the folder. So you can see it has prepared the download folder into another page. So this is the EPS file that you want to download. If this is what you want, all you have to do is to scroll down and then come down here. You see download file here is just 3.2 MB. This is because it's just an EPS file. So you can just click on download and then your download folder. Then when it's open up in another page, click on download file. So you can see the EPS file is prepared to download. It's as simple as that. All are free for graphics or whatever you want to use the design for. And then you can as well copy the link right here to give the credits to the designer on the website if you like. That is just an option. But if you don't like, just download it straight up and then you are good to go. You can see thousands of EPS file that you can use for your design. This one right here, these icons here are PSD file. You can download the badge, PSD file, etc. So another one I have for you guys right here is what we call PSDDrives.com. At this particular website, there are thousands of free PSD file you can download. You can as well browse through category such as Apple, such as app, Apple, business cards, button, calendar, etc. And then you can scroll down and see more features of free PSD file on this particular website right here. Okay, You can scroll down, you can see all these are PSD file format, high quality PSD file format. And another thing you can do as far as this website is concerned, you can come to the search bar right here and type in the keyword of whatever you want to download straight up, or you browse here the category. If you need icons, click on icons. If you need icons, click on icons. If you need interface, click on interface. If you need desktop, click on desktop, device, flat, etc. They're going to prepare everything right for you in a free download. So you can see the number of icons that this particular website have at this moment is enormous. So you can download any one of your choice. They are free and you can use them. You can customize all these icons for your design. You can see these icons here. This is 1,800 free icons in EPS and SVG file format and PSD file format. So you can download any one of your choice, and then you're good to go when you are using it in your graphics or on your web. So finally, guys, what I have for you as far as free PSD download website here is what we call PSDFreebies.com. This particular free PSDFreebies.com is also a great website that you can easily download a free PSD file format for your graphic or for your web. You can see everything here is all free stuff that you can use it for your business, or you use it for your future design. Like this particular business card right here is in a print ready file format. You can see it right here. Once you download it, you can customize it with your text, change the picture, change the color to your taste, and you are good to go to use them for your business. And you can see some other flyers right here. They are all in PSD file format that is very ready for you guys to use for your business or to enhance your design, such as a business card, ID card, and resume. You can scroll down and see thousands. You can see there are many thousands of pages that you can browse through and get your file in PSD file format without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video, because this is the last free PSD website I'm going to show you guys as far as freebie tutorial is concerned. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell, so whenever I upload some free graphic content, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.